In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your YouTube feed. So basically, if you don't like what YouTube's recommending to you, it's easy to go ahead and delete that stuff where you can basically start fresh on YouTube. So go to YouTube and you want to go to the U section at the bottom right-hand corner and then go to the gear icon at the top right corner. As you see here, I do have history here that we can get rid of. So go ahead to that gear icon. And you want to go down to where it says manage all history. And once this loads up, we'll navigate to the right section here. You want to go to where it says controls in the middle of the screen here. And then you want to scroll down until you find manage history. And from here, as you see the delete button on the right-hand side with the drop-down arrow, you want to go ahead and click that. And then go ahead and hit delete all time. As you see, this is going to delete your search history and your watch history, and it's going to basically disable and reset how YouTube recommends content to you based on your search results and things like that, or certain videos that you watch for a certain duration of time. So you would go ahead and delete that history there, and it says deletion complete, and that's it. It's super simple and super easy to reset your YouTube feed and to get rid of that history so that you can use YouTube brand new and YouTube will recommend